Creating an account of Varo is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances easily. Follow these steps to set up your account. Step 1. Download the Varo app. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device and search for the Varo app. Download and install the app to begin the account creation process. Step 2. Open the app and start registration. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the option to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Step 3. Provide personal information. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. This may involve uploading a government-issued ID or answering security questions to confirm your identity. Step 5. Set up your account preferences. After your identity is verified, you can set up your account preferences, such as linking a bank account for transfers and setting up notifications. Review your information and complete the setup. Once you have completed these steps, your Varo account will be ready for use. Enjoy managing your finances with your new account.